Hi, Leo. I have a question about speaking English.
Hello, Sophia. I'm happy to help. What's your question?
I know many English words. I can read books, but when I want to speak, my mind is empty. It's difficult.
I understand completely. This is very normal for English learners. Many students feel the same.
Really? That makes me feel better. But what can I do? I need to speak better.
The secret is small practice every day. Just 5 to 10 minutes is enough.
Only 5 minutes? That seems too easy.
Yes, small practice every day is better than 1 hour once a week. Step by step, you will improve. Let me share 3 easy ideas.
Okay, I'm listening. What's the first idea?
First idea, listen and repeat like a parrot.
Like a parrot? That sounds funny.
Yes, find easy sentences in movies, podcasts, or songs. Listen and copy exactly.
Can you show me an example?
Of course, if you hear, I'm going to the store, you say, I'm going to the store. Copy the sound, copy the voice, copy the rhythm.
Oh, I understand. It's like music. I copy the rhythm and melody.
Exactly. Do this 2 minutes daily. Even small practice helps.
What if I repeat the same sentence many times? Is that good?
Yes, that's very good. Repetition makes your brain remember faster.
Can I use children's cartoons for this?
Excellent idea. Cartoons use simple English. You can repeat after the characters.
Okay, that's simple. What's the second idea?
Second idea, talk to yourself.
Talk to myself? But isn't that strange?
Not at all. It's excellent practice. You can describe what you're doing or what you see.
Like, I'm drinking tea. This tea is hot. I'm sitting in my kitchen.
Perfect. You can also say things like, I'm opening the door, I'm walking to the window is big.
Oh, so I can practice all day in small moments.
Yes, when you cook, when you walk, when you clean, anytime.
Can I also imagine small stories and tell them to myself?
Wonderful. For example, I am in a park. I see a dog. The dog is running. Simple stories help a lot.
That sounds easy. What's the third idea?
Third idea, learn one new word daily and use it.
How do I use it?
For example, learn expensive. Say, this phone is expensive. That car is expensive. My shoes are not expensive.
So I practice the word in real-life situations.
Yes, this helps you remember words better than just writing them in a notebook.
Can I write the new word on paper and put it on the wall?
Great method. You can see the word many times a day, and it will stay in your memory.
That's clever. But what about grammar? I always worry about grammar.
Don't think too much about grammar. Communication is more important.
So if I say, I go store yesterday, it's okay.
Yes, I understand go, store, yesterday. The meaning is clear. That is success.
That's a relief. But what if I feel shy to speak with people?
Start with simple greetings. Say, hello, how are you? Or good morning. Small steps build confidence.
Can I also practice with my family?
Of course, Speak a few words in English at home. Even one sentence is good practice.
What if I make mistakes?
Everyone makes mistakes, even native speakers. The important thing is to try and not stop.
How long before I see improvement?
With daily practice, you'll see small changes in 2 to 3 weeks. In 2 to 3 months, you will feel much better.
That's motivating. Should I practice at the same time every day?
It's good to have a habit, maybe morning coffee time or before bed. Choose a time when you feel relaxed.
What if I forget words while speaking?
Use simple words you know. If you forget supermarket, say food shop. If you forget difficult, say not easy.
That's practical. Can I practice with music?
Great idea. Singing English songs helps with pronunciation and rhythm. Choose slow songs first.
What about watching TV shows?
Excellent. Start with short episodes and subtitles. Repeat after the characters. Try to act like them.
Should I record myself speaking?
Wonderful idea. Record yourself, then listen. You will hear your mistakes and improve faster.
Can I also read aloud from books?
Yes, reading aloud is fantastic for pronunciation and confidence.
Sometimes people don't understand me. What should I do?
Speak slowly and use gestures. Smile. People will try to understand. Don't give up.
How can I practice if I live where nobody speaks English?
You can find language partners online, join English clubs, or even talk with AI.
That's helpful, but sometimes I feel lazy.
That's normal. Just do 5 minutes. Even one sentence is better than nothing. Small steps still help.
What if I feel nervous before speaking?
Take a deep breath, smile, and say something small. Confidence grows with practice.
Thank you for all these tips. I feel more confident now.
Remember, every expert was once a beginner. You can do this.
I will start today with your advice. Maybe I'll practice after this podcast.
I'm glad to hear that. And if you want more practice, you can visit our channel, Speak Easy English.
What can I find there?
We have simple conversations, listening practice, useful words, and speaking tips for beginners like you.
That sounds perfect. How can I support your channel?
You can like this video, write a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more lessons.
I'll definitely do that. Maybe I can also share the channel with my friends.
That would be wonderful. More learners can join and practice with us.
Thank you, Leo. I feel happy and motivated.
Thank you, Sophia. And thank you, listeners. Remember, practice little but often. Good luck.
Goodbye, everyone. Keep practicing and believe in yourself.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next lesson. Happy learning!